The football community and AmaZulu FC are mourning the passing of one of its long-standing fans, Luyanda Usuthu Queen Mbuyazi. Our deepest condolences to the football community and her entire family and friends as well. From the family here on Fanbase, Titilala Ngoxolo Mbuyazi.
Strong, we're going to fight, and as Guardiola said this week, it's because we are strong and people respect our strength, so it's what it is.
Sales, Kote Kagala, Bona, football, basics.
It's important to keep winning. It's a race.
So they could have won it, we could have won it. I think it was one of those type of games. You can't have a start like that at home. It's so sloppy and really disappointing.
So I would like to dedicate this victory and these 3 points to our recently departed Queen of Usuthu, Mrs. Mbuyazi. She's been there for us, and this is a very good send-off. This is our present to her as we're going to lay her to rest tomorrow.
Can they make it work? Yes, they do! Shaka! No smile from Suarez!
To be dominant doesn't mean winning the game. If we want to be more ambitious and to believe until the end, we will have to definitely to convert the chances. And after, we have to keep working, to believe and to trust.
No!
15 goals scored in match week 21 of the Betway Premiership, and it's all to play for with the league culminating on the 23rd of May. Good evening and welcome to our Sunday date night on Fanbase. Use that hashtag on social media, @SSFanbase. The name is Lindiwe Dube with you, of course, in studio with a fantastic team. You can also join us virtually to be part of the conversation. Let's get into it. Amakhosi back to winning ways with Devon City missing an opportunity to climb up to third on the Betway Premiership log standings. Vuyo, how does it feel? How are you feeling back to winning ways? You were questioning that lineup of A. Talk me through today's performance.
Yeah, Lindy, first of all, ngithanda ukubongela abafana for a win because of we lost so many games, and they were playing under a lot of pressure. Even today they were playing under pressure, and you know it's not easy to play games being under pressure. Yeah, talking about the lineup, Lindy, I was very concerned about the lineup, you know. Looking at our goalkeeper being in the polls, and lately he's been getting criticizement from the fans, but I'm glad he kept a clean sheet today, and I would love to thank even Solomon at the back doing so well. First half, I was impressed with him clearing a ball there with the header. Even second half, he managed to do that, clear some balls at the back, and I'm happy to see the coach, you know, putting the likes of Velapai, because remember, you and I were talking about Velapai, and he introduced him Mfukeng as well. The goal, I won't give it to the goal scorer. I will give the goal to Villarreal, you know, because of goal sometimes we don't asibongela umuntu okorayo. Sibongela ukuthi igoli liqhamuka kuphi, because umfana omncane, he did the runs, moving in the right channels, while square athola lollipop, then wayenza into adume ngazo washaya inet. So going after that, I just hope abafana ukuthi bawin even the next coming game, because of masingahlala ku top 8 this season ngoba sekuyabonakala nje ukuthi hayi i league is gone. you know. So that then must we top it so that at least was with Masbuya with a new coach, because we also need a coach in our team, because our coaches now, but they are getting there. I don't want to say they are not doing savings, but they are getting there. Even the boys are getting there. But I'm happy the boys won today because of the fans were a lot of under pressure. They were hungry for the win. Even now, but they will be under pressure. So this win is our boosting confidence coming to the next game. It doesn't matter who you are, whether you are Sundowns or you are Amazulu or Stellenbosch, it doesn't matter. But they win. As in I'm a player, you're confident, you know. You come back to the game winning ways. So thanks, Lindy.
Greetings, Sis Lindy. Greetings to the fans and viewers at home. Sis Lindy, look, we had a first half, a frustrating first half. At some point, I thought we were not going to score. But looking at the team second half, we also need to give the technical team credit for making those subs. Because straight second half they came out with Uvele Pai, and they managed to change the game. And yesterday, Oslindi, we saw a 16-year-old almost winning the league for Arsenal. So today also we saw Mfundo Vilakazi came in, and I'm sure he was watching that game. He said, if that boy can do it at 16, I can also do it. So today he came on, he changed the game, and Kaizer Chiefs got a 3 points after a long time. The pressure is on. Cecilia, I will ask the boys if they can just give us number 3, because to say we want number 2, number 1, it's impossible at this current time. But if they give us number 3, so that we can go back to the CAF Confederation Cup, so that we can participate there. You know, you get experience in playing there. I submit.
Lindy, I thought we thank for that win from the boys, and then Cyril came 11. So I think Kulama came 11. If we can win 5, and then we're gonna be in that top 8, because it is very important to see the top 8. Even the game today, I mean, Skonil would just stand on some pass 487. So the combo, we want to win this game. So for today, we are happy, and then our finals tell about pressure cool, because they are trying their best. Other than that, Kosi for life, we're going forward.
1-0 is how things ended at the FNB Stadium. Durban City, of course, ending their 6-match unbeaten run in all competitions. City, after 90 minutes, had just 1 shot on target, Musa. Do you think Amakosi wanted this one more?
Thanks, Lindy, and the viewers at home. Lindy, I think Durban City is in a Payana just to get a point. You want a base of Museklisha for a point. For one, I think base of a right for a point. You can see the way they played. You know, 1-shot goal. Even like Kaizer Chiefs this time, you know, they tried to put Babe on the game. But now, at the same time, I mean, I'm still saying with no. A team, Kaizer Chiefs need to put a score, because we're taking time to score. You know, if Durban City, these players were clever enough, because of Kongo Basil, you know, but Yonkinto were very slow, and you know they start whichever way came in second half, so they should have first half have those. You know, I keep on attacking. Maybe they have the Tola goal, but now the way Bakali slow, and they want a low block. So now for their this game, they need to improve on that. But as for Kaizer Chiefs, we need to score earlier. So we needed today, but now some of us as supporters who are concerned with our next game, scoring now, because the most important thing is to get goals. So if us scoring goal, and then it will take us time to win. So now
man, ufuna ukubuza mngana ubhuti umthongo ngizwethi ufuna number 3. Uzibona ni lapha number 3.
No, kwamanje you can't comment on that. We need to improve ukuthi siscore ezingisho ukuthi kumele siscore, but without ukuthi score ngeke sisithole silapha number 3. But now the most idlala sithola ama chances, need to utilize those chances. Our next stop is against the Imakis. Magesi now sithatha sisa Moses Mabhida. Believe me or not, our supporter will be there. We are going to support, fully supporting Kaizer Chiefs, but we need to see and we need to score more goals. So going there to Moses Mabhida, we're expecting more goals and early goals. Under pressure.
Yeah.
So that's the most important thing. But now that doesn't mean we are happy because we don't know the next following game. So we need this winning mentality, and the players need to have that winning mentality. Then as supporters, we are going to be happy about that. So the most important thing is to score goals and fix their mistakes. So mistake. Look at the goalkeeper. You know, sometimes goalkeeper but now improve. You understand? He needs to improve there. But now the most important thing is to score goals and get many points as we can.
Yeah. I think the biggest challenge is that Amakosa Kore Kolili one, you know, Mabakora Gai one. So how do you ensure Nikwazi Kora more than one goal?
Spingele Slindy and the wonderful panel. Now in the for Chiefs, Uguba creator suppliers or with suppliers or as a letter Mapola strikers pumping. And then number 2, Sidala Makesi, or team a fight relegation, which is a sitting as a club with the snap pindi. I record this lens every season with the team is relegated. It had 3 points. With Chiefs, basically relegated. We won this time with Imakes, Sisha, because of some 2 games now.
I lead the way. I must say this. Yes, we might have won, but that was a poor win. And I will say this without any fear of contradiction. If Durban City was in the game, that first half we could have been punished. And we could have been punished very bad, Lindy. So, I mean, we need to soldier on. Yes, we got the win, but now it's our coach's duty to go back to the drawing board. I think we saw that Lilebo is indeed a natural number 9. So let's see if they try him as a striker in our next game, what's going to happen. I mean, Velapai gave us the football that we know. We knew that if Velapai is going to be in that pitch, is going to give us great football. Mfundo Vilakazi impressed a lot of us, something that we never expected. So I think our coaches need to go back to the drawing board, see what's going to work for the team, and also they need to really make it clear to our midfielders or who is a defensive midfielder, who is an attacking midfielder, because with what we saw, I would swear that only defenders and wingers were playing in today's game. But other than that, let's see what happens with Makesi, but I have the hope that we are going to take the 3 points in there. Thank you.
A double for Amakosi this season against Durban City, with both matches in both legs of the season ending in a 1-0 victory. Well, it was a missed opportunity out at the Orlando Amstel Arena as Orlando Pirates missed out on extending the gap at the top following a 1-0 draw over Siwelele. Mudao or Frank, let me start with you. 2 points dropped Izolo against the Siwelele. Uzizwa kanjani?
Asibingelele Sislindi. Ezweni akonakali. It's not so bad. Yeah, because i-league lesi Sislindi kune lose kune win kune draw. Yeah, so asikhumbuzane nje ukuthi sisase number 1. Yeah, it's just ukuthi lelizwe leli uma i-game in hand ikithi singamabhakaniya bayadoubt ukuthi khona singakwenza, kodwa ama 6 Sundowns ubona sebathi izowina. No, ayihambi kanjani, nayo isazodliwa, nayo isazodraw. So into engishoyo for i-draw yayizona sidlalile, ayikho into esingayenzanga lapha ya. Akekho singamblame njengami kwelami side, angiblame icoach, angiblame next nje. Yeah, i-game injalo, 1 point move on. So senze I think ama corner kicks more than 10 ubona ukuthi besifikile. Checka i-man of the match izona kubo goalkeeper, okusho ukuthi ibhakani beyifikile, kwasho khona ukuthi inhlanhla bengeke side lethu. So if sizokhombana sithi ubani nobani angeke senze lutho ngalokho. So for me kwelami side I'm very very happy, and my coach Wadu must stay, and my captain Bisi sihole baba singabakho. Mina kwelami side ama president asase all Sislindi ezweni kusasemnandi, sisazobraya siyaya kwi-TS Galaxy eyofela ke icala engalazi, sisazokupha sisazomporoma nje, ayikho into enzima kangako, sisazoba mnandi ezweni.
Good evening, Mrs. Lindy, to the panelists, viewers at home. Yeah, yesterday's game was disappointing because we dropped two points, but we played very, very well against a very, very resilient cause who's a Bafana International. But I think the game against TS Galaxy, the players must just come to the party, make sure that we take our chances and make sure that we get 3 points because, hey, Sundowns are breathing down our neck. And I think the fans and the players must try to come to some kind of an agreement because at the stadium, there's an issue there where fans are booing the players. Players don't want to come to the fans. So I think somebody must just intervene there as quickly as possible because it's going to disturb us as we are left with about 11 games and we need each other. The players need the fans need the players. So we need to just come down as fans and just try to make sure that the next game we support our players and the players also come back to the fans and we forgive each other because we are a big family and just move on. But what a nice game yesterday. Suelelo gave us our run for our money. Our former player is stabbing us again. So, but I think the next game we will try our best. Thank you.
Lindy, let me apologize for Orlando Perez not today wearing the regalia of Orlando Perez because I'm coming from the church. Lindy, all is not lost. We've got 9 games left at the moment. So each and every game is a cup final for Perez. So yesterday, you see Ricardo Goss is a Bafana goalkeeper, international goalkeeper. So he's not there by mistake. So we're playing against Ricardo Goss. That's why he got man of the match. So Lindy, let's support our boys. We've got 9 games left and then we're going to Mumbai on Sunday. So let's unite and then rally behind our team. This league is still wide open. You see today the Chiefs, they won and they're still open. If they win the next game, it's 36 points. So for Perez, we have to take each game at a time. Don't look at Sundowns what they're doing because we know that all the PSL team that when they go to play Sundowns, they relax Lynch. So but now on my hope, I've got only one hope. My hope is on the Chiefs. When they go to meet Sundown, maybe they'll drop their points. So that's yes, me I failed to beat Sundown. But now my hope is on the Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs can hold them. But all Lindy, even Sundown has got 10 leagues game left. They can't win all the games. They can't win all.
Can you win all of them?
Yeah. So also Perez, we've got 9 games left.
Yeah.
We're going to play each and game to win it. So whatever happens is happening. But this season, I would like to see the mighty Orlando Pirates to lift this cup.
All right, we've got Jabu joining us virtually. Jabu, 27 possible points to play for Pirates in the 2025-26 domestic football season. Next up, TS Galaxy, Lamontville, Golden Arrows, Richards Bay. Is the team getting potential 3 points in the next 3 matches?
Greetings, Sis Lindy, our viewers at home, my colleagues at the studio. And I see Umemba Utsepo Masila there. I'm very happy to see him there. I know all the time he speaks about football. Sis Lindy, I think like Umdaugasho, well, all is not lost, you know. But me now, Sis Lindy, if you check your records there, I've been very much consistent with the issue of, you know, a lineup inconsistency coach. Sis Lindy, I will reiterate. You cannot have a coach that is going to change the lineup game in and game out. That's not how you win the league. And Sis Lindy, what we wanted to avoid the same situation that Brother Mudau is referring to, that maybe Kaizer Chiefs should beat Sundowns. We had everything in our hands to collect points. Honestly speaking, if the coach was consistent, ngabe sikhuluma manje sithi coach is 9 points here of Mamelodi Sundowns. But the issue of chopping and changing of your lineup, it's a downfall of the coach. Sis Lindy, I'm going to make an example. During the week, you are playing against Richards Bay. You've got Hoto that is giving you 100 or 90% game. You come into the game, Siwelele. Dion Hotto is outside. If you can ask the coach today, coach, what was the rationale behind that particular substitution? The coach won't really say a thing. Umbatha umfakile, the same Mbatha mabaceda ukumnikeza ibhola, uluza ibhola, and we are caused. So you are throwing even Umbatha under the bus. Over and above that, Sislindi, we need to be honest ukuthi for the past 5 games, Mbuthuma is not scoring a goal. Can you please start with somebody else, also Slalelo number 9? We have Makgopa. If Makgopa is not giving you enough in the first half, around 60 minutes, take Makgopa out and put Ulona, Mbuthuma. Yesterday, fans needed to shout for Igama lika Masonganye ukuthi Masonganye can play. You've got coach just introduced Masterchef. Take nothing away from Masterchef, but Masterchef una 5 games Sislindi angadlali. So you put Masterchef ahead of Tito Masonganye. But Tito Masonganye has been doing very well for you. Akunikeza nama result. So Sislindi, we are going to lose this thing as Orlando Pirates team based on the inexperience of the coach, but over and above that, the inconsistency of his lineup is going to be our downfall. Thanks, Sislindi, but all is not lost. If coach anga focus, of course, we'll get the maximum points that are needed.
Thank you so much, Jabu. Yep, Amapagania were 2-0 winners in midweek over Richards Bay. Do you feel Modosi ukuthi le lineup ewine against Richards Bay ngabe kudlale yona Saturday?
Engibingelele Sislindi. Yeah, bayasho ngesilungu, but why you fix it if it's not broken? Nami be surprised mangibona ilineup ka coach Izolo as esho ukuthi brother lapho ukuthi umbule kudala ngadlali but simbone emfaka instead ukuthi ngabe ufaka uTito. Mina elami ngithi iPirates if ileague ayithathi kumele isiblame yona. Ngoba even nokuthengisa umbokazi maybe kwakumele bakhulume nale club ukuthi okay siyanika umbokazi kodwa cela yes cela isilinde maybe until May bese siyamthatha umbokazi. Still uthatha uMunapule Saleng usamhambisa kulabantu laba abafuna ukushaya futhi engicabanga ukuthi iPirates kumele iblame yona kuyo yonke into eyenzakalayo ngoba le league le bengisijamini ukuthi ubaba ukhoza uzothi may retire I league sibe sesiyithathile but angiboni iPirates ithatha I league angisho kabi kodwa iSundowns khumbula ine experience yokuthatha I league yabona okay amagame asasekhona but ngokwami mina from Izolo ngigive appeal ukuthi iPirates I league izoyithatha I league mina ngibona iyePitoli ngoba uBetlani wethu namanje siyadingana nama player but kune fight ekhona bafuna ukuza kubalandeli ngoba bababhuwe so isikhathi sokudingana lesi engicabanga ukuthi ngamabhakani asiye ukubhuwa ama player nabo bangabantu ngoba into kumele senze iPirates kumele siwine igame singasho ukuthi asishaya amagoli awu3 amagoli awu4 yebo ngoba iplayer mayithatha ibhola siyabhuwa ngapha hambisa phambili and ila umoshakala khona wes esicela singamabhakani sicela ehlisa umoya ileague maybe soyithatha. Ngiyabonga.
Maybe. Yeah, sometimes maybe no much. Bagania.
Okay, Sislinde okokuqala. Mandi bingelele ibandla elikhulu eSouth Africa ibandla lamabhakaniya. Ngibuye ngibingelele amabandla amancane abo Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns. Inhliziyo yami ibhlungu ngenye indlela man igame ya yesterday inhliziyo yami ibhlungu kakhulu because besine hope yokuthi ileague vele sizoyithatha mara manje ngivumela nawe model C hayi league is gone ayihambile because iSundowns yashayana iSundowns Frank ngizwa ngathi uthi akakhali ngokhosha wethu mina ngiyakhala ngokhosha wethu ukhosha wethu akanayo i-first 11 yakhe. Even yesterday, yesterday, it's supposed to go to Plalengo Hoto, Lapa we number 3. And I think Pirates, we need a prolific striker. Asna striker next.
Aisha na Misumavasa. Speaking of Mamelodi Sundowns, they were 2-0 winners in midweek over Orbit College. I mean, at halftime, it was goalless. You could see that Orbit College did put up a fight. However, you know, that big match temperament, Madome from Mamelodi Sundowns to walk away with a victory at Olympia Park in Rustenburg.
Sislindi good medis.
ke dumedisa ka moka le ba panel kaofela le ko gae. Game ya Opit e bontshitse gore o e rekemiseditse. Re bontshitse character, team e ne ditse ko morao e defender, but we didn't panic. We tried to build from the back, we tried to play our normal football, and we did at the end of the day. Re kgonne go 2 goals, which is important. E bontsha gore rekemiseditse, and Sundowns that we know is back. We're going to take this league, we're going to take Champions League. So we don't need any permit or permission from anyone. We know how to do it.
Yes, Sandawan. Ashe.
Kabuyelo.
Kabuyelo.
Tabila holo no Kabizo Kumane starting 11. No Kinako Valley. Pirates in Erosarite umbrella. The long umbrella Rona. Rata Mama Sundown, Ranga League, like have Champions League.
Good day, Cecily.
Hi.
Embracing this craze on a regular basis, regardless of social and domestic circumstances. I think the major concern that Orlando Pirates has is how Mamelodi Sundowns is able to absorb pressure at this current stage.
Yeah.
I mean, looking at the games left, it's where Sundowns is most lethal. Looking at Tuesday they had a game against Orbit College, which is fighting to get out of the relegation. But on Friday also, it's playing CAF. But both of those matches, they utilized their chances. I mean, at Orlando Pirates, I mean, there's a saying that opportunities are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you might miss it.
Okay, hello, Ausley.
Yes,
hello, Ausley. Yeah, that you made said you were score. That you made that you made said you were score. I got Pascal on the Sundowns more. Logo game ya very le college. So Sundown kena na now ya kana race very tsamala Pirates. Already Pirates e tremile o lusa cup yesterday. So rena cup yona re tlo tsamala yona via starting lineup say Cardoso a tsamaya ka sona. Nagere from them or pass a message from Cardoso. Ask us loser starting lineup. Ke sona re tonka o kefo ka sona le league, and I think o to amowe ke tlo pass a message from ko the player tja rena this guy cause the yellow card unnecessary because sometimes it's not bolaya. So I think Cardoso to tshwantse a dile le yona from now because o tshwana le game e re tlala malaba if a yellow card be wela to CAF. Although unfortunately yellow card PSL I will under CAF mara I think interest of tshwantse ba by rectify because ke yona tlore bolela o win the cup next time.
Yeah. Raleboga. Dashil, you are doing well go Champions League. Le win Champions League this year.
Lindy, sama thomiko imelisa batho ko mahaeng khutlo tse nne tsa lefase ke re khotso a ya teng ka boelo. Lindy, Sundowns no right up Lindy. Ke gopela e support Sundowns di tle ka go fela Tuesday Lindy. Na ke leboga support a bona ya Masandawana. Ke re Masandawana le a bona mo studio o tletse bu orange le bu black. Ba thabile Lindy. Na mara league Lindy. Ke sa tlo lombeetsa gore ke tlo ba tapeta league ya Pitori Lindy. Ke re Masandawana ke le rata ka o fela Lindy. Na ke tlo nka Stars Abitu Lindy. Masandawana ka boelo Masandawana ke le rata ka o fela Lindy. Ke gopela le ko mahaeng go di-taxing o botse o a reng ga o fulwana ka sekgowa ba re ke ne rest o mmotse gore o love Sundowns o rata Sundowns na ke rata Sundowns Lindy. Protector maki ki tswere go bana ka yona Lindy. Ke re Masandawana a rataneng re beng ka o fela Lindy. Ka boelo Masandawana.
Lindy ubuzile ukuthi iCAF bayayithatha na. Hayi iCAF Sundowns izoyithatha because badlale ekhaya manje bawin. Yeah. So bazoyithatha ayikho into ezobavimba. Labantu bane experience yeCAF. They've been there. So why not? They will take it.
All right, please keep the conversation going on social media using the hashtag #SSFanbase. When we return, we continue with the discussion in studio.
Sotho siyabonga so for ukuthi abafana bakoleke nje 3.4 sisiloyanda. We've been there for us everywhere bekhona ba represent uSotho as a brand sithe alale ngoxolo sisi, but ke coming to the game sibonge kakhulu nje sisilinde ukuthi abafana badlale kahle bokudumela bascore a brilliant goal nabo next year. So experience it help us ukuthi sikoleka a maximum point against Inatar Rich Boys. So sibonga kakhulu technical team, even the first level that abayifakile kule game Richards Bay badlale kahle kakhulu. Sihleli nje number 4 abanye ke basilandele emva bo Bravo, but sisilindi bethi ngizocomment egame Sundowns ukuthi Sundowns, I told ipanel last ukuthi they've got the squad depth akufani nabo makhelwane bakavuyo bacomplete umbokazi ukhona umbokazi akekho. No, to win the league it needs a quality player and must have the squad depth in the team uzokwazi lapho to compete. Ngeke uthi udlala iChampions League usadliwa bo ST Lupopo la eAfrica and then you think you can win the league. The quality Sundowns that they have, Sislinda, I can stop Sundowns to win this league. And last time I said Akzuba equal different. It's going to be a point. Before, I still repeat. Sundowns is a winner like the cup.
Yes, Pioneer.
Yeah, greetings to you, Sislindi, fans in studio and at home. Sislindi, congratulations to Amazulu. I think Coach Arthur is doing something well with the team. It improved a lot. But I think taking from his views, you don't need to chase Sundowns. Sundowns once you chase them, you will never catch them. They know how to do it. Mentality-wise of the players, even if the coach can make mistakes, the good thing that we can counter on is that just like us, they don't have a coach. So he's likely to make some errors here and there. Sislindi, you are competing for a league and it's tight. That even goal difference makes a difference. And then you still go and rotate the squad. The guy, when he came to Pirates, he said he plays high aggressive press kind of football. But Mbutuma is not going to give you that high aggressive press. Ndaba is not giving you high aggressive press. Hoto has been giving us numbers, especially when we go forward. He will be able to pull defenders on the side and allow Mufokeng, give Mufokeng enough space to play at the center. But we didn't see Mufokeng play yesterday. He didn't even have enough game because Ndawa was not adding those numbers. And as a result, you end up having congestion in the center and all Mufokeng they are close. So I think we've got enough depth. We've got enough quality. I think we probably have the best squad in PSL right now. But unfortunately, we don't have the right coach to win us the league. If we're going to win the league, then the management must do something with regards to the coach, because at this point we have to be realistic. I will repeat again: if you want to win the league, you must lead Sundowns. Once you chase them, you will never catch them. Thank you very much.
Okay, we want to hear from you. Who's walking away with this year's championship? Also share your fan moment of the week using that hashtag #SSFanBase. Back to now KZN, because Amazulu are level on points on the Betway Premiership table with Kukune United. They're currently fourth, Kukune currently third. Also missing out on an opportunity, of course, following that goalless draw against Polokwane City. Sure.
I think a great game yesterday against the Polokwane City. We had too much of the ball possession, 60% of it. You look at the passes that completed, 433 passes. But unfortunately, it's the problem that we saw even last week, even the game against Durban City, of not scoring. Had many opportunities. Bradley Krobler getting a clear chance to score with the header, missing that opportunity. Mujela also had an opportunity to score, missing it. Violeta had a free kick also, but a great goalkeeper. Give credit to Matebula, whom I think he also had a great game. But I think going to the next game against Arrows, we still need to work on our attacking department. Even yesterday, I saw Coach Eric Tengla try to play more of two strikers. But again, we still have a problem scoring. But it's not a problem with Kukuni. You look at the other teams in the league, we just have a problem of scoring the league. And you ask yourself, do we have bad strikers or do we have good defenders? But the problem scoring, we gotta look at our goalkeeper, our scoring department. From the back, we had a very good game. Abu Kiba in the midfield, Abu Munar in the midfield, had a very, very good game, brilliant game. But unfortunately, the problem is always scoring. But I think going to the next game against Arrows, we need to score. Because you look at the league now, the position number 3, I think it's almost there's 5 teams that are fighting for that position. So it's gonna toughen up. The most interesting thing next is going to be pushing number 3. I think that one at the top is already finished, but then we need to start collecting points. So that's the most interesting thing, but we need to keep it this season.
Elliot Wasara is joining us via Zoom. Elliot, welcome to the show. The question in studio is, do you have good strikers or there's good defenders in the country?
Yeah, good evening, Lindiwe and the guys in the studio, and not forgetting the viewers. Yeah, Lindiwe, you are asking a good question. I've been crying about that one. Yeah, striker. We don't have strikers. I mean, you can see in our national team we are struggling with the scoring because of we don't have those South African quality strikers. They need to work on that. I think Mark Williams, they have to come to the party and help these guys to score goals in the kitchen. Because when they're in the kitchen, you can see even Kaizer Chiefs, they're struggling to score. And the parents also, my team's United, Bradley Hoover getting the sitters, can capitalize on that. They really need to work on scoring, because you get a clear opportunity, we don't score. The next thing, we're going to blame the coach. Why? The coach is doing everything, practicing to the guys for it. They need to take the opportunity and score. I mean, from us as supporters, we just asking this guy, at least give us 50 points or 55 points. We're okay. Because goal as terms of lazy. The league is not if I deal more like I'm calling if I deal. What about more Lord Pampir or Fedila? Never hold deal. Why hold deal? They're going back. Well, this is the number 2 I create, but I love fasting. They just know how to the quick one. Now, what are the MTN 8 and other cups? They can get them because the was on fire, But when the league goes on, league is a marathon, man. This thing leave it to Sundowns until other teams they know how to stop Sundowns. When the parents of Apale, they hold an umbrella for Sundowns and the battle like Sundowns. They need to work on that. So anyway, all the best to my boys, Golden Arrows. They must collect points. We need only 55 points from them. I thank you.
Thank you so much, Elias Wasara. Kukune will face Lamontville Golden Arrows up next. And number 3 is still wide open for any team.
Hi, Lindy. And the viewers at home. The league is getting tougher and tougher. And we thought Pirates was challenging the league, but it is dropping points now, which means position 2 is open for any team. So, Lindy, indeed, it has been said with justification that many people take too much of their time chasing butterflies. I repeat, Lindy, many people take too much of their time chasing butterflies. Like you. Whereas a wise man establish a garden and butterflies will come in the garden.
What's the goal?
You see, and then if you look at maybe some of we as supporters, we are lacking what we call emotional intelligence. We lack emotional intelligence. These are the very crucial aspect. You boo players, you do anything, but you call yourself a soccer fanatic. So let's try to have shock absorbers. If your team loses, accept that it lost. You win some, you lose some, you draw some. Thank you very much.
All right, a 4-goal thriller out in Seshego in Polokwane as Makesi welcomed Chippa United. The last time they played to a goalless draw in November. However, it was 2-2 this time around. Makesi drew against Usutu. Is this now the comeback that we are seeing from Makesi?
Thobela usilindi kidumisela mamabedi kwa hayi ya ke re ke thoma ka game ya Makesi ba ka se tlhokomela batho ba go relegation ba safe. So they must pull up their socks because if I struggle relegation e ba lebana. So le rona release Kuku United ke re tlo dlala le Arrows ka Saturday. I think it's something re lo re kry sport sa go number 3 or re khona ya go careful. So ke na hana re Majita ba sa le sharp no ba o re misitse di chances ka game ya Polokwane City and Polokwane City e thusitse ke goalkeeper ya bona. So overall Majita ba tla le botse re la swetse re make sure ya o reng e re thotse di chances re di berekish. Tsona plot o tsona le bogropla ka mogola ba thotse opportunity tshwantse make sure re di kora. So ke a leboha Uslindi.
Sesilindi wa go dumedisa. Sesilindi there's still a chance for Magezi ga tlogo position e le go yona. Like how ga lebella di team tse ding go morago fela. A di shele ka di point tse dingata. Understand? Magezi they play very well ga e bapala go seshio. I don't know why. But when you go outside a tsore Magezi ga ka ntse go ra ba bapala seshio go rulana. But what I can say go gore Magezi they still have a chance to avoid relegation. La go level go opiti le bo marumo le bo ntshele di gaufi ka ofela and then Magezi ga e ka una game tse pedi yo jumpa then it lela and then over PSL. Same like us, we still gonna fight into number 3. I'm telling you. Thank you, Mr. Lindsay.
Do they have a chance, Vele? Because they have Kaiser Chiefs, Marumo Gallants, Kukune United, then Kaiser Chiefs again. Do they have a chance to possibly survive relegation?
Lindy, I will
automatic,
I will say this. We've seen this movie before.
Yeah.
Magesi FC. Okay, they don't stand a chance with Kaiser Chiefs. That's that out of the way. But other than that, Lindy, I think we've seen that Magesi FC will play poorly. And then the final 4 or 5 games, they will make sure that they win just to avoid relegation. So we've seen this movie before. Maybe this is the time for them to actually leave and go to the NFD and find their feet, because I think there's a lot going on in that club that needs to be worked out. But let's see what happens. But other than that, good luck to Magesi FC. Relegation or not, let's see what happens.
I mean, they have Kaiser Chiefs, Marumo, as well as Kukune. In the next 3 games, where do you guys see them getting points there?
Lindy, they play MKC. It's not convincing. I don't think they will survive relegation based on how they play. You know, but they always throwing. So so I don't see them survive relegation. So they need to they have to go back to the boardroom and then fix things from the management, even the players. They have to fix their own house so that they can come. Because in that case, we know it was coming all right, but now things have not gone the way it's supposed to. But I want to advise Lindy is Kukune. You know, this is football. Nyazama supporters Kukuna butterfly. They must stop playing the butterfly football or the helicopter, because it's gonna take them time to go back score. Tells me touches about that. You know, either they must stop playing that butterfly, or they must stop route 1 from the keeper. Well, running. The number, the position 3 spot, they won't get it. They will drop as long as they are playing that butterfly football that they are playing. So I don't see them put number 3. So they will drop.
All right, after 20 matches, Magesi have only managed 2 victories. Jimmy, Mutlokwa is joining us virtually. Skim, welcome to the show. Rabuti Sahore, Magesi, it was survivor now.
Lindy, how are you?
Keshab, Skim, Moshan.
Hey, when I just better after the first day, it was like my post, Valma win the first one. Lindy, Raleigh Garcia Town, don't worry about my case. It's still they'll come back, call, 14 friends and friends, but they'll survive. It's how the league is playing on the end. They'll survive, they'll fight until the end. Before they do it, you know, all the Paganas, they must support the team. Don't support the team when it's win. I hear someone is pirate. You will be pirate t-shirt. It's not about the team in bad things. It's not good in the boys they want to win the league. You don't feel bad about them. After that, you want the bad, you want the pigs of them. Let's say Paris fans together, won the league. Our father won the league. We love you, Lindy. Take care. Enjoy the show.
Thank you so much, Skimmy. Please continue chatting to us using the hashtag #SSFanbase. We'll see you after this. A double header on Tuesday on your World of Champions with the Proteas men's and women's teams both in action against New Zealand in the second T20. You can catch both matches live and in the splendor of high definition on your World of Champions. Welcome back to SS Fanbase. We're still chatting all things Betway Premiership action. Match week 21. Lamontville Golden Arrows also big winners at the weekend following a 2-1 victory over Marumo Gallants. And one man who is chasing that golden boot is Junior Dion because he's currently on 12 goals.
Sesilindi like mkwala kichwa branch ya Twickenham kwa so yeah no branch of Twickenham Kaizer Chiefs Twickenham so Sesilindi rena like re thabela go ba mo because re nale about more than 5 years re bogela fan base jalo re thabela go ba bona ka mogare ga fan base so na botse bulela ka team ya rena gore re thabela 3 points re kry today as maximum point so ke na le bana ba mo ba ile mo le bona go swana le nna ba ke mathomba etlam so re a leboga
Lindy uDion Lindy I think uzocompete no Renas for the lona top goal scorer because of ubamba iform manje uyakora but so we wish him all the best uDion and not forgetting the player lady balibisa ngoRabo Moripe beliphoka jersey number 14 lapha ku Sundowns so Saneng reminds me of uRabo Moripe. Ngiyabonga Lindy.
I mean, he's currently on 12. Reyners is currently on 10. How far can they go? Our top goal scorers.
Splendid thing, I think Reyners because uthole form now when Sundowns na uthole form so I think they can go above 15 this season. So I think Reyners party will take it. I think by 17 or 16.
Sesilindi uRenas is a tartar because he's got a supply umkwena walende uSantos so Sundown they sharing the balls even though is my enemy Sundown so uRenas is a tartar Urenas and then Lindy I just want to ask people of Mbombela, let's fill up the Mbombela Stadium on Sunday. We need these 3 points badly.
Honestly, I think Reyners will play higher. Will go over 15 goals. Remember, Obale away for 6 months, but he still can. Can compete. I think he's going to take it once again.
Timeri is joining us virtually. The chat is the top goal scorer of the season. Dion currently on 12. Reyners currently on 10. Who is your money on, Timeri?
Greetings, Auslindi. Greetings to the panel and greetings to viewers, staff and base. I think straight up, Reyners is taking this one. But I need to give kudos to Junior Dion. Having watched him play at Marumo last season, and the fact that he also played for Amazulu. I think he was on loan at Marumo. And for Golden Arrows to take a gamble and sign him, and you look at the points that he has collected for them by scoring those 12 goals so far. They've been crucial in as much as Golden Arrows are a conceding team, because every season you'll always find that they score the number of goals or a certain number of goals, and then they also concede that specific number of goals as well. So it's a tricky situation for them. I think if they can solve that defense, then things would work out for them and they would find themselves in the top 8. But I think with Reyners scoring 4 goals in 3 league games, if I'm not mistaken, it just shows that he's beginning to peak at the right time. And you can see the impact of his form with where Sundowns are at the moment. Now you can see even at the studio there that the Pirates fans are stressed, because I think it's better to lead the league when Mamelodi Sundowns are second than to be maybe a point behind them, because now it's out of the Orlando Pirates' hands. And I think Orlando Pirates fans, just like any loyal fan or any series, they are now looking forward to the next season.
Okay, Timmy, you're ruling them out already. All right, thank you so much for that. 2-1 is how it ended for Lamontville Golden Arrows over Marumo Gallants, with that brace coming from Junior De Jong. And for that, he earns your fan moment of the week.
Still a chance for Kamolo. Dion becomes the league's leading goal scorer. Once again, his 11th goal of the season in the Betway Premiership. Opportunity, second goal! Dion Grass both. 12 goals in the Betway Premiership.
First, I say thank you, God, because this game is not easy. Because Marumo is busy fighting for get up. Us sport win this game, and God giving win today. I say thank you.
Congratulations to the current Betway Premiership top goal scorer Junior De Jong from Abafana Bestede. With the handful of matches remaining, how far can he go, and can he finish the 2025-26 domestic football season by winning that golden boots? Thank you all so much for joining us for another exceptional show of SS Fanbase. From myself, Lindiwe Dube, and the incredible team behind the scenes, it's goodbye for now.